So in today's video, I'm going to do a simple beef lasagna, and it's going to be about £3. That's the cost of it. So this is a simple, quick dish for tea. Let's get into it. So first, we're going to chop the onion. We're going to sweat the onions off, and we're going to add a little bit of rosemary to it, just to bring out that lovely flavour. The next step is we're going to slice some mushrooms thinly. We're going to add this to the beef bolognese. We're going to add the mushrooms, sweat them down. Going to add a little bit of fresh thyme. Going to add some fresh minced beef from the butchers. Then we're just going to break it up and seal it off. We're going to add a touch of garlic granules, so just a little bit, just to season the meat up. And then we're going to add a touch of paprika. It's a sweet paprika. It's going to add a little lovely flavour that's going to go well with the tomatoes. So we've just sealed the meat off, sweated the mushrooms and the onions. The beef stock. Then we're going to add some tomato. Rich tomato flavour. We're going to reduce that slightly so it gives it that nice sweet tomato flavour with a hint of garlic. So a key to a good lasagna is a rich bolognese. Don't forget as well to comment below on how you do your lasagna, and don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to do a simple cheese sauce. So it's going to be butter, flour, milk and some cheese. We've melted the butter. We're going to add a scoop of flour. Then we're going to give it a mix so the flour takes the butter, and then we're going to cook the flour out. We're going to add the milk just gradually, so a little bit at a time, and whisk it in. As you can see, it's thickening up. As soon as it thickens up, you just add a touch more milk. Give it a good whisk, make sure it's got no lumps in. Then what we're going to do is add salt, pepper, and just drop some cheese in to melt in slowly. That's your pepper. Add some cheese. Whisk it in. Top tip, just add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to it as well. So to cook the lasagna sheets, we've just dropped them into boiling water with a little bit of salt. We've cooked them, and then we're going to cool them down in some cold water. And then we're going to lay them in the lasagna dish. So we're going to build it up. We're going to put a little bit of mince at the bottom, and then we're going to put lasagna, then the sauce, then mince, then lasagna sheets, then the sauce. That's how we're going to do it. There we are. We're going to layer it up. Now we're going to put a little bit of white sauce on there. I'm going to spoon the cheese sauce on there. 1, 2. It looks fantastic. It's nice creamy cheese sauce. There we are. That's the finished lasagna. We're going to cook it in the air fryer, or you can do it in the oven, and we'll show you the finished article. It's beautiful. Hi guys, this is the finished lasagna. So as you can see, with a rich creamy sauce, melted cheese on top, and we've got a lovely beef ragu as well. It's absolutely amazing. Try this at home. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Take care, and more recipes to come.